What parts of your Google Workspace are not working as well as you'd like? What parts of your Google Workspace do you want to update or improve? Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a Google certified trainer and professional organizer. I empower business owners with Google solutions to help you save time, reduce clicks, and get your digital house in order. Let me know in the comments below which of the following items will make the biggest improvement in your daily workflow. Your admin panel and app settings, your Chrome profiles, your Gmail labels, filters, and organization, your Google Drive organization, your calendars and appointment schedules, your use of Google Tasks, your use of Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, your Google Business Profile, your use of Google Forms, your use of Google for email marketing, your use of Google Sites, your use of YouTube, your use of Gemini and Notebook LM, Google's AI apps. Be sure to let me know your biggest daily frustration in Google Workspace so we can update it together soon. When we untangle these systems, you can stop fighting your technology and have time and energy to focus on your business and business growth. Click the link below to schedule a clarity call. Together, we'll discuss your frustrations and make a prioritized plan to update your Google Workspace setup, organization, and customization for you and your business. Let's get started together. I look forward to helping you succeed.